Next up to unbox is this Oracle gift set. So a friend of mine gave me this, and I thought it might be quite fun to unbox it. So Oracle embossed logo, or obviously the Oracle, the company, IT company. So nothing much going on with the box. Very black case. This black sort of a paper. This is thrilling. And then we have black notepad with Oracle embossed. It's kind of nice, smooth exterior. This is the most exciting unboxing ever. And some lined notebook paper. This, though, does look quite nice. So, Oracle pen, nice chrome. Twist that round. And I won't write on the book and spoil it, but yeah, this is lovely. You can keep the notebook. I'm going to keep the pen.